If your app's rankings have taken a hit recently, you're not the only one. A lot of developers have been seeing their rankings drop even when they haven't even touched their metadata. It's been frustrating and confusing. The reason is that Apple quietly made a change to how they rank apps. And while many developers are struggling with it, the truth is if you understand what's happening, you can actually use this update to your advantage. I've built apps that have reached millions of installs on the App Store, and I did it without big ad budgets, just by using ASO. I've seen firsthand how Apple's changes affect rankings, and I've learned how to adapt quickly. That's what I want to share with you today so you don't get left behind. So here's the update. Apple is now using AI to read text in your screenshots. In the past, screenshots were mainly about showing your app in action and convincing someone to download after they've already found you. But now Apple is scanning that text and using it as part of the keyword signals. That means if your screenshot says something like multiplayer solitaire tournaments, Apple can connect those words to what people are searching for. On the flip side, if your screenshots only say things like so fun or addictive gameplay, there's not much there for Apple's AI to work with. This shift explains why so many developers have noticed changes in their rankings. Apps with vague or fluffy screenshot text seem to be losing ground, while apps that clearly highlight what they offer with relevant keywords are holding up much better. Apple appears to be rewarding clarity and relevance more than ever before. So how do you adapt? The first step is to make sure that your most important keywords are showing up in your screenshots. Don't waste that space with generic slogans. If people are searching for bingo or solitaire or tournaments, those are the words that should be right there in your visuals. The second step is to keep your text simple and readable. Yes, Apple's AI is scanning it, but real people still matter most. If your screenshots look messy or overloaded with small text, players won't read it, and neither will Apple. Think about it like a big billboard. Someone should be able to glance at it and instantly understand what your game or app is about. Next, make sure your screenshots match your metadata. Your title, subtitle, description, and screenshots should all be telling the same story. If your title says bingo tournaments, then your screenshots should reinforce that. That consistency sends a much stronger signal. You'll also want to pay extra attention to the first 3 screenshots. Those are the ones most people see when they land on your page, and they often have the biggest impact on both visibility and conversions. Put your best keywords and value points right at the front. And finally, test everything. Don't just assume the first version you've put together is the best one. Use Apple's product page optimization or third-party testing tools to try different wording and see what performs best. Even small changes in phrasing can make a huge difference. This update is a big reminder that ASO is always evolving. Screenshots aren't just there to look nice anymore. They're part of your keyword strategy. If you make them clear, relevant, and consistent with your metadata, you'll not only recover from any drops, but also put yourself in a stronger position long term. I've built apps that reach millions of installs by leaning on ASO alone, and these same strategies can help you stay ahead of the curve. So take a hard look at your screenshots, make some changes, and watch how your rankings respond. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more ASO and marketing insights, and let me know in the comments if you've noticed any ranking shifts since the change. I'd love to hear what you're seeing. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.